Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through the complete process of setting up a Binance account, making a deposit, and starting futures trading using your mobile phone. This guide is designed in a clear and beginner-friendly way so that anyone can easily follow along. First, let's begin with creating your Binance account. Before we start, please install the Binance app on your smartphone. Once the installation is finished, open the Binance app. On the home screen, tap the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You can register using either your email address or your phone number. Agree to the terms of service by checking the box provided. Then tap Continue to proceed. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Type in the verification code you received. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, with at least 8 characters. After that, you will be taken to the referral confirmation page. At this step, be sure to select Yes. A field will appear where you can enter a referral code. Enter the referral code SKY333 in the field. By entering this code, you can receive a 20% discount on trading fees and additional rewards. So make sure to enter it before completing registration. Next, let's move on to the KYC verification process. Verification is required for deposits, trading, and withdrawals on Binance. First, select your nationality. Then choose the type of ID you want to submit. You will see several document options on the screen. For most users, a passport is the easiest option. Tap Take Pictures when you are ready. Align your passport properly and take a clear photo. Next, complete the facial recognition step. Follow the instructions shown on the screen carefully. Once completed, your verification request will be submitted. The review usually takes about 1 hour. After approval, your account will be marked as verified. Next, we will set up Google Authenticator for added security. Go back to the main screen. Tap the Binance logo at the top left corner. Then tap the arrow icon at the top right. Enter the security menu. Select Authenticator app from the available options. Tap Enable to begin setup. Enter the verification code sent to you. You will now see the Authenticator setup screen. Copy the 16-digit setup key displayed on the screen. Install and open the Google Authenticator app. Open the app and tap the plus icon. Select Enter a setup key. For the code name, enter Binance. Paste the 16-digit key into the key field. Tap Add to complete the setup. A 6-digit verification code will now appear in the app. Copy this 6-digit code. Tap Next to continue. Enter the code correctly in the required field. Once verified, the setup will be completed successfully. Now, enable Pro Mode to access futures trading features. Return to the main screen again. Tap the Binance logo again. If you see the Binance Pro option, tap it to enable Pro Mode. Second, we will now go over in detail how to deposit funds using the peer-to-peer transaction method. Tap the Assets icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. The Spot wallet is primarily used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. On the other hand, the Futures wallet is dedicated solely to futures trading. From the available options, select the Spot wallet. Next, tap on the Add Funds button. On the following screen, you will find multiple deposit options. For this guide, we will proceed using the peer-to-peer deposit option. Tap the icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Choose the local currency you plan to use for payment. After that, select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. In most situations, USDT is the most commonly used choice. Tap the corresponding button to continue. Enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy. Tap the button again to continue. You will then be taken to a page where you can select your payment method. A list of available sellers will appear on the screen. For security reasons, it is advisable to choose sellers with high ratings and a large number of completed transactions. Select a seller from the list, and tap the Buy button. Please note that some sellers may require additional verification. Enter the exact purchase amount for this order. Before proceeding, carefully check all the details provided by the seller. If everything is correct, tap Place Order. Once the order is placed, the seller's bank account details will be displayed. Before making the payment, open the chat window and review the seller's instructions carefully. When sending the payment, double-check the account holder's name and bank information. Proceed with the transfer using your chosen payment method. After completing the payment, tap Upload Payment Proof. Upload a clear screenshot or image as proof of payment. After uploading, tick the confirmation box at the bottom of the screen. Press the Transferred Notify Seller button at the bottom. Shortly after, the USDT will be released and automatically credited to your spot wallet. Finally, I will walk you through the full step-by-step process of trading on Binance Futures. Before executing any futures trades, you first need to transfer funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Start by opening your spot wallet. Inside the spot wallet, tap the transfer button to initiate the transfer. Set the transfer direction from spot wallet to USDM futures. Next, select the asset you want to transfer. Then, enter the amount you would like to transfer. After a short moment, the transferred funds will appear in your futures wallet. To enter the futures trading interface, tap the Futures tab located at the bottom right of the screen. You will now be viewing the Binance Futures trading screen. At the top left, tap the Trading Pair section to choose the asset you want to trade. For this example, we will use the BTC-USDT pair. Next, check and select the margin mode based on your trading strategy. In cross-margin mode, your entire balance is shared across all positions. In isolated margin mode, only the margin assigned to each position is used. For beginners, isolated mode is generally recommended as it helps control risk. Now, set your preferred leverage level. Binance supports leverage of up to 150x. While higher leverage can amplify profits, it also greatly increases risk. If you are new, it is safer to start with lower leverage. Next, decide your trade direction based on your market prediction. If you expect the price to rise, tap Buy to open a long position. If you expect the price to fall, tap Sell to open a short position. You can view your available margin for the trade in this section. Below, choose the order type that fits your strategy. You can select either a limit order or a market order. Enter the desired price and quantity for your order. If you believe the price will go up, tap Buy Long to place the order. If you believe the price will go down, tap Sell Short to place the order. By selecting the Positions tab at the bottom, you can monitor your open positions in real time. ROI shows your current profit or loss in percentage form. Entry price indicates the average entry price of your position. Mark price reflects the current market reference price. Liquidation price shows the level at which your position will be liquidated. To manage risk more effectively, tap TPSL to set take profit and stop loss levels. When you are ready to exit, tap the Close button. Choose whether to close at the current market price, or set a limit order at a specific price. Enter the closing price and the amount you wish to close. Then tap Confirm. Once confirmed, your position will be completely closed. In today's guide, we walked through the entire process of creating a Binance account and getting started with futures trading, especially for beginners. Each step was explained in a simple and detailed manner so that anyone can follow along without difficulty. If you experienced any issues or still have questions while watching, feel free to leave a comment below at any time. Thank you very much for watching all the way through to the end.